How to use Add Yours on Instagram Story and create a viral story chain. If you wish to use Add Yours on an Instagram story in order to create a viral story chain, what we do is we simply launch first of all the Instagram application over here. Then you want to simply go about creating your story. So I'll just choose a random photo over here. Let's say that I want to add from my story. Now I can type in whatever the changes I want to add over here, and I also, let's say, want to go ahead and then add your stickers so other people who view my story can keep on sharing this story repeatedly for infinity. So what we do for that is we'll just tap on this tools icon. Here you can see various tools. Then we'll tap on the stickers icon from the right hand side of the toolbar. Now when we do this, we'll find one of the sticker over there that says add yours, or you can use the search bar to search for it. When you do that, now tap the add yours button and go ahead and then simply type in any prompt right over here like this, and once done, tap the done button. You can adjust the sticker to any part of your story, then tap the your story button. People who view the story will be able to simply tap the add yours button and they'll be able to keep on sharing this over and over again. So this way you can use and add yours on an Instagram story to create a viral story chain. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.